The iPhone 6 Screen Replacement Guide. Fix your broken iPhone 5 with parts and service from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. Begin by completely powering off your phone. With the SIM card removal tool, remove the SIM card. The removal tool can be found in IP2500 along with all other tools used in this video. With a pentalobe screwdriver, remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. Apply a suction cup to the lower portion of the screen and carefully lift it up. Remove the screws shown in the red circles. After removing the shield covering the screen connectors, using a small case opener tool, carefully disconnect all of the ribbons from the motherboard. Remove these screws found at the top of the screen assembly. Remove the shield covering the ear speaker. Carefully pull back the forward-facing camera and you can remove the ear speaker. Remove these 2 screws at the bottom of the screen assembly. Disconnect the home button from the home button ribbon and then poke through from the front in order to remove. Now going to remove the back plate. There are 3 screws on each side and 1 at the top and bottom. Once you've removed the screws, you'll notice the home button ribbon is still stuck to the bottom of the screen assembly. Carefully pull it off. And now for reassembly, begin by placing the forward-facing camera and proximity sensor into the top of the screen assembly. Now you can place the back plate onto the back of the LCD screen and secure with screws. You can now place the home button into the screen and connect to the ribbon. Place this shield over the home button module and secure with 2 screws. Place the ear speaker into the top of the screen assembly and then secure with a shield. We can now connect the screen assembly to the motherboard. Connect all 4 ribbons, one for the home button, one for the forward-facing camera, and one each for the LCD and touch panels. Place a shield over the screen connectors and secure with screws shown in the red circles. You can now push the screen down into the frame. And now secure the screen assembly with 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from DirectFix. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to directfix.com now.